Hello, welcome back to ITGENIUS CYBER again in another tutorial. And for all those who have not subscribed yet to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe if you happen to receive any tutorial from ITGENIUS CYBER. Just go to your YouTube channel. Search for ITGENIUS CYBER, then hit the subscription button plus the bell icon. Or otherwise, still if you're having a problem in viewing clear videos on our channel or having a best quality hello, welcome back to ITGENIUS CYBER again in another tutorial. And okay, maybe that's the video that you want to see or to watch. So what you have to do, open the video, tap it once, then go to your top right corner here and tap it. Then you'll see where you're having quality, so tap where you're seeing quality. So mine is already automated to 360 pixels, and that's enough for me to have a clear view on my phone or on my device. This is the same procedure that applies to those using a browser or a site, maybe Chrome or Opera Mini or Firefox. So you also follow this. Go to the settings and change the quality of your videos, then automate it to any quality that you want. So mine is automated to 360 pixels. Yours might be automated to 144 pixels. So just change any that you want. If maybe I want 480, and have 480 then. Today we are going to continue with our finding the Wi-Fi key, Wi-Fi passwords. Okay, so just like that. So you'll have a very clear view, depending on the previous one that you had before. Okay, and still if you want the subtitles, you tap that, then go to where you're having the captions, this option. So it will have English auto-generated sorry for the breakage. It will have the English auto-generated captions. Okay, so besides that, let us go back to zero. Mainly in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to run Cmatrix on Termux. Let me hope you understand me well. When I talk about Cmatrix, it is kind of it's not, I cannot call it a video. No, it's not in a video form. Kind of like a GIF, but within Termux. But to install this in Termux, there are specific commands we have to write in Termux. So I would opt you to follow very well. And still, if you don't know how to use Termux, if this is your very first tutorial to use Termux or to see or to hear about Termux, go to Play Store, then type Termux, search for the app, then install. Mine is already asking for the update. You can opt to update it. It's not very big. It's even less than 1 MB. So Termux does not take much of your device space. So you should not get scared that maybe from the install Termux is very big and it will occupy a lot of my device RAM or one of it its end. So it's 141 KBs, if you can see up here. So very little and very time consuming. Okay, let me update it. It's installing. All right, so it's there. So it automatically updated. So besides that, then I'm assuming you already have your Termux now in your device. And if you're having Kali Linux, you can as well as use this command line in Termux, because Termux is just a terminal emulator and also a small version of Termux which is compatible for smartphones. So the command lines that we use within Kali Linux are similar to the ones we use in Termux. It's just a shorter way if you're not having a PC, if you're not having Kali OS or Ubuntu OS, so you can as well use Termux for that. If it comes to things like installing the root access, the sudo access in Termux, it will require some routing and stuff, of which if you're having the OS of Kali, it's kind of different. So let us not go deep in that. I was just only explaining that to those people who have just got to know about Termux their very first time. Alright, the first thing you're going to do here is to update and upgrade. Let me hope you know that. So I'm going to type ITGENIUS update, and mind you please, Termux works online. You should have a stable network. You should be connected to a network so that you can run any command within Termux. Even though you're upgrading, you should have an internet access connected to your device, your phone, your iOS, your machine, your whatever the device you're using. Okay, update, then PKJ upgrade. Yeah, we wait for a while. I told you already, this depends on your phone and it depends on your internet speed coverage. So after that we type pkj install Cmatrix, hit enter. Let me try to display what's within. Here you can type Cmatrix, hit enter, then boom, it comes like that. So this is kind of an interesting feature, like for real. So someone sees your phone is like, wow, I don't know what's really going on with your phone, I can't understand anything. So this is just a matrix run on your phone, and within Termux. It can work in Termux, it can work in Ubuntu, it can work in terminals. Terminals created, all terminals installed on Windows operating system. Yeah, I can provide those terminals to you if at all you don't have Termux, and if at all you need Kali Linux OS, I can also provide it for you. So please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a comment if this really works for you very well. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.